All right. Today we're going to do some addition on a number line. And we're going to do some more complex addition. 34 plus 47. And sometimes our kids need a concrete model to help them transition into a visual model. So we're going to use a beaded number line to help us with this math problem today. But I'm also going to model underneath how this will work on a regular number line. So again, we are pushing our kids towards efficiency. So we want them to approach their models in the most efficient way possible. And that is, again, starting with the highest number and adding the smallest number. So we're going to start our number line in alignment with our beaded number line because we're transitioning. And we're going to start by finding 47. Now the nice thing about the beaded number line is it's structured so that kids can anchor and unitize 10 at a time. So I'm not counting by ones. Your child at home should be counting like this: 10, 20, 30, 40. And here they might have to count 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47. Or they may know 7 is 3 away from the next 10, and they'll pull that 3 down and push the 7 over. So now we have 47, and we're going to mark that on our number line. If this is a little hard for your kids with their motor skills, you can also use mini clothespins to help them mark their numbers. So now we get to add 34. And we're going to add 34 by finding a friendly number. A friendly number is the next decade number. So if we look at our beads, we can see we're only 3 away from the next decade. So I'm going to add 3 first. Let me switch colors to make it easier to see. So I'm adding 3 to get to 50. Now I can make larger, more efficient hops. I'm going to move 10 and add 10 to get to 60. I'm going to move another 10, add another 10 to get to 70. Now kids can get carried away with adding 10, so they do need to be keeping track. So far I've only added 10, 23, and I have to go 34. So now's when you ask your child, I've hopped 23. Can I hop another 10? 23 plus 10 is 33. So yes, I should be able to hop another 10. So I'll mark that other 10. Plus 10 is 80. And then I'll ask again. Let's see how many hops we've made. 10, 20, 33. How many more hops do I need to get to 34? And I should only have to hop 1 more. And that puts me at 81. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to check my work. If I'm not good with the mental math, I can check here by counting 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. I have hopped 34. That checks out. I have hopped 34. That's done. Where's my answer? My answer is the last place I landed, 81. So 34 plus 47 equals 81. And that is finding a friendly number on the number line.